In today's world, some mechanical giants have been created whose power will make your blood run cold. There's a machine that can dig holes so deep in the ground that it will one day make the earth leak. Again, a giant floating plant standing on the seabed, which snatches thousands of liters of natural gas from the depths of the sea per hour, as if it is forcibly taking the breath of the sea. In comparison to these gigantic machines, a structure weighing 4,000 tons is like a toy. And today I will introduce you to some such powerful and terrifying technology. This is the world's largest and most powerful mobile crane. This giant machine has the capacity to lift up to 4,000 tons. This huge machine has been made for all such mega projects. Its 105-meter-long telescopic boom and alternate wheels make it suitable for moving in any inaccessible place. The length of this machine with 11 axles is like a train. Its first mission was quite challenging. At a wind farm in Henghui Province, China, it lifts a 130-ton nacelle, a 40-ton hub, and 3 95-meter-long, 28-ton blades to a height of 122 meters and completes the work by perfectly positioning them. A giant factory stands in the middle of the ocean. No, it is not a warship. It is the largest floating gas processing plant in the world. Its size is so incredible that it is 10 times larger than the Titanic. The ship, weighing about 600,000 tons, floats on the ocean floor. This floating factory produces 3.6 million tons of liquefied natural gas every year. This technology, installed off the coast of Australia, extracts gas directly from deep-sea gas reserves. And then it is processed and shipped to different parts of the world on huge ships. When you look at this machine, it looks like a giant is fighting the ground. This rotary drill machine named June Lion makes huge holes for the foundation deep in the ground. It is used in all places where huge bridges, highways, or multi-story buildings are being built. This machine weighs about 72 tons, which is heavier than a train carriage. There is a huge rotating drill in front, with which it can drill up to 68 meters deep in the ground. Its engine is so powerful that it can easily pierce even hard soil. You will be surprised to know that this type of drill machine is used in big mega projects in the world. For example, this type of technology was used for piling the Padma Bridge in Bangladesh. It is a modern port where tasks like loading and unloading containers and transporting goods are done automatically. That is, robots, automated cranes, driverless vehicles, and AI systems work instead of humans. When a container ship reaches the port, the automated crane starts lifting the container on its own. Then the driverless vehicle delivers it to its designated location. Everything is controlled remotely, and in many cases, AI itself decides which container will go where and when. There's no mistake at all while loading and unloading thousands of containers every day, because all these tasks are done by computer-controlled machines. This automated terminal can load and unload about 10 million containers a year. It is a giant floating on the sea surface. Its strength and power are beyond imagination. This is the heavy-lift semi-submersible crane ship. This ship can easily lift huge structures like sunken ships, submarines, or oil rigs weighing thousands of tons. That is why it is called the sea crane. The ship has a giant heavy lift crane mounted on it, and this crane can lift up to 3,000 tons. It uses all the technologies that can easily complete the most complex and heavy tasks at sea. The most amazing thing about this ship is that it can submerge half of itself underwater. This can easily unload large structures. This is one of the most modern and effective machines used in China's dredging industry. With its help, heavy soil, mud, or sand layers can be removed from the sea or river bottom easily and quickly. The machine has a rotating cutter head at the front that cuts the hard soil. Then the cut soil is lifted up through a suction pipe. Basically, it can dredge up to a depth of about 12 meters, although its depth may be more or less according to the project. However, the work of this machine is not limited to excavation. It plays an important role in complex projects such as port construction, rivers and canals, full excavation, deck development or artificial island construction. This dredger, made with modern technology, is now one of the examples of river development and water management around the world.